Hey, what's up guys, this is Kev here from Noise, and today in this video I will be showing you how you can take portrait shots with any phone. Here you can see my Galaxy S8 has a single camera. So yes, you can take portrait shots with just a single camera. Before we start, guys, if you like what you see, then do hit the like, subscribe and the bell icon to be on the notification squad. So the only app you require is Instagram. Yes, with Instagram you can take those beautiful portrait shots. You just have to go in your camera mode, and here you can see many effects. So here you have to select the focus effect. And yes, when you point it at somebody, you will see that you get a proper portrait mode. The background is fully blurred and you can take proper high quality portrait shots. After taking a picture, you can directly save it into your gallery. You can use this picture from your gallery anywhere that you like. So this is a great feature. Mostly this feature works on humans and objects can have a little problem. But you can use this feature with almost anybody. You can also apply effects after taking your portrait shots. So guys, this was a quick video on how you can take portrait shots with any smartphone. If you have a single camera, don't worry, you can do it with your phone too. Thanks for watching guys, because that really helped. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.